Hey, what's up everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. I got a new scope for my rifle, a Vortex Viper, and I'm super excited to get this thing installed. So I'm gonna go meet up with my buddy Damien. He's part of a rifle club in Olympia area, and I'm gonna meet up with him. He's gonna help me install it. We're gonna sight it in and all that good stuff. I'm also gonna bring my new shotgun. I'm gonna get into duck hunting this year, so I bought a Benelli Nova, and I want to put a box of rounds through it and get comfortable with it before the season starts. The season starts here like in, I think, like 2 weeks, so I'm going to try to get as much range time as I can. So wish me luck. I'm not sure how this video is going to turn out. I'm going to try to get some shots and all that, but let's see. No promises, but hey, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. This is the 5-inch one. Got a new scope. We're gonna take off this this stock weaver. We're gonna put on this Vortex Viper. Major upgrade. Got the scope off. I got new scope rings, so I'm not gonna worry about these. We gotta put the rail on. Alright, setting torque. Always add a tiny bit of Loctite. Put the new rail on. Okay, got the rail on. Set the torque here. Perfect. So we're just trying to line it up where exactly we want it. He said we want it spread out as far as you can. Be more stable that way. So before we put the tops of them on, we're gonna look at it.
Delano's gonna get on there, and he's going to look through to make sure that the scope is lined up properly with his eye, because there's only so much distance between here to where the scope, you won't get the full picture.
So we set it up where I'm going to be comfortable, where I can, you know, have good eye relief and all that good stuff. So we will zip it all up, and then we're going to sight this bad boy in.
No, there's a lot more yet. You're not even done.
At the range, I gotta sight in my new scope and getting decent groupings, but not all the way there yet. But let's do it. All right, so I think we're looking comfortable at 200 yards. We had to make some adjustments, but I think we got it. Oh yeah, I also need to test out my new shotgun because I'm gonna be duck hunting this year too.
You're on.
It's getting dark, so we gotta take off. Had to pick up our targets. All right, well, I'm back, man. I had a blast today, man. A lot of fun. I appreciate you, Damien. It took a little while to get it sighted in. I started using this ammo here. It's Winchester Deer Season XP. It's a 130 grain, and it's what my cousin recommended for. He has a 270 also, and man, he does awesome with that. But I had some other ammo, this Remington core lock, and I got way better groupings with this. I was actually surprised, But I'm gonna go with this for this year, and I might pick up some different ammo and test it out. But I was getting 1-inch groupings at 200 yards with that Remington, and I'm satisfied with that, man. 1-inch grouping at 200 yards, I'm good. The shotgun is awesome, man. It was the first time I shot it was today. I put a box of shells through it today, and man, it felt good, and I'm excited to go duck hunting and everything. So hopefully I'll be making some duck hunting videos here pretty soon, and I'll also hopefully I get a buck this year, man. All right, guys. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. That guy Skimpy, please subscribe.